Oh yeah, my name is Samkelo Njinji, but as a musician I'm known as Samkelo Njinji, the pianist, songwriter, arranger. I come from KZN in township of Umlazi in Durban. I grew up there then, yeah. Hey man, you know, man, when you're growing up in the township, you grew up dancing, playing soccer and all the stuff.
Yeah.
Because before doing music, I started dancing in school. I was a dancer. Then I realized, no, when I joined the choir, that's where I fell in love with music. Then I did music. Yeah. So it was a nice experience growing in the township. It helps you even to be creative in the music. You see, imagining the township life, and giving to the music. Yeah, something. Yeah.
Wow, that comes across your music because it's very beautiful.
So there are so many, but I would really like to see myself working with the likes of the great legend Jonathan Butler, Emmanuel Queens, a great saxophonist, the likes of Esperanza Spalding. Yeah, in the near future, you can expect something from me, like doing shows and also the album. But I'm not sure when I'm gonna release this because it's a process on its own. So I'm not promising anything soon. As yet for an album. But definitely shows. The first song I started with is New Jerusalem. Yeah, it's a song. The time I was composing it, I was imagining life after life. So that's why I call it New Jerusalem. The last song is Baby Steps. It's a song whereby I encourage myself. That's like my journey. I must take baby steps to where I want to be. Like I'm patiently waiting on my waiting to be great one day. Then taking baby steps toward my destiny. My social media handles, you can get me on YouTube. I'm Samkelo Njinji. My page on Facebook is Samkelo Njinji SA. I'm also on Facebook, Samkelo Njinji. And I'm also on Instagram, Samkelo Njinji. My email is njinjistreet@gmail.com.